Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am gonna show you how to log out your Gmail account from other devices. It's pretty quick and easy. Open your Gmail. Now go to your account. Tap on manage your Google account. I select my another's account which is Sheikh's Art. Now go to security and scroll down. You can see your devices. Tap on manage all devices. Here is a list of all the devices on which I log in my account. Now log out one by one. Tap on a device and click on sign out. Confirm it and yes, your device is sign out. Now one by one log out all the other devices. That's how you can log out from other devices by using your phone. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.